Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about DNS. DNS generally named as domain name service. What is generally do and what all those things we have. So we are going to talk about the DNS in this video. So in the DNS is generally known as domain name service. In this domain name service, what happens? We have a public IP. Okay, so to assign that particular public IP as a DNS, like to give such name, we generally use a DNS concept. So let me quickly understand you what generally happens over here. What's happened when we run a web server? Okay, when we run any web server, there is a IP. If you have not watched my previous video how to launch web server, you can go and launch. I will be attaching the link into the description part. So when we launch any server, we have a IPS 190, suppose 192.168.0.2. Okay, this IP we have. Okay, and like this we have multiple IPs for the load balancing part. Please go and watch once load balancing and auto scaling video also, because those are the base concept on which this is working. So what's happened, this is our server. Okay, suppose this is our Google server. Okay, this is our Google, and we have a multiple IPs, because this particular IP can only host 100 people, not more than 100 people. If this IP goes if this IP comes up with 100, more than 100, so it will automatically goes down. So we want our traffic should be distributed. Okay, we want our traffic should be distributed in the different ways. Okay, in the different way. So for doing this, we can't remember every time our new IP, like this IP will be from 0.2, this IP is 0.3, this IP is 0.4, this IP is 0.5, and something 92.168 dot something like that. So we can't remember the IPs of the, there are many applications. We have Google, we have Instagram, we have Facebook, we have lots of applications running. We can't remember IP of each and everything. So we have got an unique name, we have got a domain name. So from that we register, we have a Route 53 as a concept, where we register as a this whole IP as a public IP, and one particular IP, like suppose 192.168.1.1. Okay, suppose this is an, we are just taking example, and we have given this IP as a something name, let's www.google.com. So behind the scene, what is generally do? It generally go and hit on this particular IP, and this on this particular hitting this IP, it check which of the services are available. If this service is free, if this on this traffic is low or high, or if on the this traffic is high, so it will not go here, it will redirect to here. So how you can check this? So let me show you. Every time you go, you will always get a new public new IP. You will never get onto the same page until there is a no load on it. Okay, so what's happened, like we have a certain amounts of system over here. Okay, this is our www.google.com. Okay, now what I want to do, I want to use this particular public IP. So what I have to do, I have to go to the Route 53 as a, this is a service provided by the AWS, or you can go to GoDaddy. Like this is a domain name, this provides a domain name where you have to register your domain. Like suppose we have a domain name as google.com. So this is a unique domain name. No one can use this particular google.com. They have secured DNS for them. So like this, each and every company has their own domain name system, or we can say service, domain name service, where they hold their own particular domain. So if you go to on the internet, and let me quickly show you. If we go on the internet, like suppose we have gmail.com. So Gmail, we have this Gmail is particular registered with this particular part of IP. Okay, this particular part of IP, the Gmail has been registered over here. Like this, we have multiple things, multiple IPs has been assigning to everything. So let me quickly show you how you can check with the IPs, like on Google, which IP it is running. So every time you hit up, it will come with the new IP, because they are applying as a load balancing part, they're distributing the part. If they put the traffic onto the one only, so it will automatically goes down. That's why we want our traffic should be distributed, should not goes down on this behalf of part. And for remembering, not remembering this particular IP, we have given an unique name. From that, we can identify, like this is, yeah, Google, www.google.com, www.linkedin.com, www.yahoo.com. Like this, we have certain domain has been specified over here. Okay, so let me quickly show you with the command, and let's look up and www.google.com. So as you as you hit enter, you get to know about the an IP. Okay, this is the IP. When you again when you hit enter, you will get from after some time, after 2 to 3 minutes or different thing. Let me quickly again open CMD and let's try we get same IP or different. I think, okay, I'm just hitting from here and as look up www.google.com. So we get the same IP as of now, right now. But when you hit and try from the other after 2 minutes, you will automatically get a new IP, because at that particular time this IP has been utilized by someone else. Okay, they are redirecting to this IP. Like this, behind the scene they have multiples of IPs are running, because there are billions of people who are using Google, so they can't use that tell their users to use this particular IP, just come on the particular IP. They will also get confused, so they have just provided with the www.google.com that this is the generally known as domain name. Okay, like this you can register your own domain name by using the Route 53. We have a service into the AWS cloud or as a Route 53, where you can go and create your own DNS part. Okay, let me quickly show you what is this is the domain name registration, where you register your itself domain. It's a paid service. Okay, it's a paid service where you can have well hosted help how to respond to your DNS. Like it's generally help in your web application to give a unique name. So we don't need to everyone should recall your IPs, and they can just write the domain name. They can just do like suppose let's check www.google.com. So let's check. Okay, they will tag already tell like this domains are already used. Okay, is this domain name is not available, but this is not available because this domain name is already used. Okay, let's search something else. Okay, we have given this domain name is also not available. Okay, so like this we have they have just provided with us multiple domains like .net, .com, .org, .io. So like this you can select according to your price, like they offer something price like 13 USD per year according to it. So it depends to what type of domain and what types of .com, .org, .in what we want. Like this similar we have GoDaddy.com also, which provides a similar service for the domain name system. This is a service which is particularly provided by the AWS cloud. So that's it in this video, guys. If you have any quick query, you can ask me in the comment section. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.